Live. See Naija 102.7. Now you position put live and direct. Morning Ross. Now the name of the show. My name is Aaron B.
And my name is Becca Blee.
And we go reach there today. Virgin they get a for body.
Yes,
Fairme. Yeah, Fairme na 29 years old, and then I'm from Delta Warri. Shakiri boy. Full born Shakiri boy. Yes. Then on our right side we get the one and only
Michky.
Okay, Michky. Yes.
I thought Michky. Okay, Michky will be 24 years old. Oba Tokwe. Now you don't boy. See your brother here.
24 years.
Yes.
Now your football age be this abi Ross. Talk to Ross.
Age now.
Age.
The two of them they know as the radicals.
Yeah.
I wanna be
Gym enthusiasts.
Gym bodies. There's an gym una for meet.
Yes, we met at the gym.
I just said a man and woman they meet for gym. How come men they meet for gym?
No, we meet for gym. He just see me. He just say, "Oh my God, I saw this blogger posting you." I said, "Guy, oh yeah, come on, sign for your chair." Well, no one. He just tell me say,
"Waiting on the talk." I ring you for a month.
I can't say, "Calm down, bros. Calm down."
I ring you for a month now, so I don't.
Well, actually, he na pidgin English we they speak.
Yeah, na pidgin.
Oh yeah, okay. I just press a man notes here. I will try. Okay, so he meet me for gym. Come tell me say, "Omo, he see this guy post me and he notice say I dey dance contemporary. Say him in the dance too. In the dance my kind of dance, but in body people don't to tell him say in body too
stiff.
Big. Say make him know they do all those dance and all of that. But when he saw me and all, him been they motivated to start to do them, and he come they raise with me upstairs where they do the whole dance aerobics and all that, and from there we started getting close. Say I don't enter English now. We can't get close. Jesus.
No. What you mean now started getting close?
Yeah, I mean like in terms of
friendship.
the friendship. I know.
Okay.
Yeah, we can't like the same.
Yes,
we can't like the same spec of
girls
women. When we
too.
see them, we be like, oh my, like guys. See,
So at the end of the day, now two interests.
Yeah, 2 inch. Our gist we always
drag for
no, we need a drag for woman.
No.
We go ask ourselves, okay, which one? Yes, okay, you dey interested or you just want? You understand? That's what they are.
Virgin, why you they talk all this thing?
I know things. I did biology in school. Please, they taught us things in school. Reproduction. Yes.
So you not virgin, not be virgin.
Yeah, I don't know about this guy.
I don't even know how kids be like.
Can you imagine?
The only kiss I know is Kiss for Me Rose. That song.
So everything you talk now true.
Then now.
So now you farms true.
I know no be farms. I farms.
You just recognize that.
I just recognize them because I supposed to go for the competition too.
Yeah.
But at that point, no funds.
Okay.
So I just chill. Yeah.
So which year would I really meet? Which year?
January
this year. Now.
This year.
This year, January 11th.
On a friendship now submit.
Almost.
Sometimes that friendship of many years no the counts, but it doesn't matter how far but how well.
But how the experience don't be so far for inside the Big Brother Naija has fun and though.
It's fun. It's just that body don't fool. You understand?
Body don't fool for
But you say you be veggie.
Yes, body don't
fool for veggie.
Body like maybe overfeeding. What's your you too like batting? You too they really batting. You need to
Wait, I don't
think
understand.
your mind.
Now you use your mouth don't say body don't
Like maybe.
Your own
more maybe not overfeeding from Big Brother house, body don't fool. That's what I mean. You should stop judging.
But wait, Fairme, true, you be virgin. I mean, not just for
I want you to actually check. Come and confirm.
Make
everybody come up for this place. Just there you go. Just confirm.
This one plan you come Becca, the plan you come.
The annoying part about this guy called Fairme. When he there for hearts now, he don't get any girlfriend through hearts.
No,
that's why the fact say he talk all this kind. He not get one girl like
you don't like anybody's
idea. Actually, my exact spec
not this. What to be your spec? Because you talk about they share the same spec just now.
No, we get similar. It's similar, but not exactly the same. My own, like I like thick, like beautiful face, like you see Juliet Ibrahim and Sophia Lakija kind of face, that kind of face.
But make it back full.
Just kill me. I'll be vulnerable around you, and you can take away my pride. Yes.
I feel like this.
You are lost for what?
Okay, what about you? May I understand?
Yeah,
What
respectfully, me I no be overly thick kind of person. Me like just normal body size, just slim thick, yeah.
Slim thick.
Not.
So
Okay.
inside the house, who be go with you?
See, inside the house, the person where I just like in body now, Chizoba, and I dey always tell am to her face, and even to our boyfriend face, say your body, her body is really really nice, and even her sister, I tell her say, Omo, you dey beautiful, but me no be this kind big body kind of
But I did shock saying that she's of her name you mentioned.
I don't dey mention am since.
Nah, Annie, I think say you mentioned.
Nah.
So
But
wait,
the
the
person
Annie?
where you show your
difference-
love interest.
No.
Where Fairme go help you talk to be that. So like I am.
Will you ever talk to anybody?
Yes.
Like,
Yes.
talk to her in what way? Like,
The first week you guys entered into the house, it was Annie that you showed like a likeness.
It was
towards.
not. That's the thing. You guys just mistake everything. Honestly,
did
but
we mistake
from the
it?
lockdown, we already talked about twins. That because like me now, I get twins for my family. Where even my brothers now twins. So
Okay.
the love for twins was really strong for me. In fact, I know life for you. I won't born twins.
No worry, you are on the right path. See, Baba
I
baby.
shared
Hey,
dreams
you
with
see, you see.
Baba Beji dey.
So I just liked the fact that they are twins. And if you notice, I was close to OC and OZ very well because of
They be
that
twins
twin.
too.
Yes. So no be like say special love or shared love. No. They are just like my friend. Maybe the emotion was deep, like the way people put it was different. But trust me, it was just on
Nothing more
friendship.
than that.
Nothing more than that. Like I no go there. I don't make up my mind. I was decisive that yes, I no go there to go do sheep. I just go there, go showcase my talent, showcase my fitness lifestyle, and that's all.
But now really show if now that showcasing, now really
that
showcase
was
and well.
actually the plan be that.
So that achieved that
we
strategy,
achieved,
that
even
plan.
I achieved everything in 3 weeks. I'm not gonna lie you.
Yes, sir.
Then they even gave me extra 2 weeks safe. So I was very grateful for the
So
platform.
if it was being evicted from the Big Brother house right now, you dissatisfied with
like
what you
I
do?
see
na
100%
glorious exit I dey
satisfied,
call am.
no regrets
Because
because from beginning of the show I was Fairme David, the naughty boy, the guy we no get filter for him mouth,
The
the
peacemaker.
dancer, the innocent virgin boy, everything. I just
So you
showed
know only the
myself.
virgin, you should also be innocent. So
Innocent join now, man. I did very innocent,
Two-Face
untouched.
they learn now.
Yeah, I
They
know.
really innocent here now. Two-Face they learn. So, still talking about you now, Fairme. Now, when we say, now don't come out from I know lie to the viewers loves you guys, the radicals. They love you now well. Man, no lie to you. And now when we say, come out from house finish, Biggie go on the peers.
Yeah.
Wait, I don't know what you feel about the decision of Biggie after now don't leave the house.
Okay. I don't go like game. Big Brother house is actually a game and not really a safe place. So any twist that comes in is fine. Even if we were there to witness the separation, trust me, we'll still do better though, because we go see they communicate, still they do like pair in a way. The only thing is maybe when
One
it comes
fake
to
David.
yes, because I know say if him be head of house, now he go carry me as spare,
Along,
and if I be head of house, I'll carry him as spare. So it doesn't really make too much difference because it's not like they carry them go one, they carry one set go another apartment and one set go another apartment. But normally they go feel them based on maybe one feel be agility, one feel be
Intellectual.
Yes, intellectual. So, for example, now, Beta, he always says it that, Ben always says it that it doesn't have anything to do with intellectual, that is just agility. And TJ on the other side is good with intellectual. So the two, that's why.
So what you try to know? You feel say this on pairing not go affect the game or what?
See, trust me, because one win is for all safe, because even if I chop the money, I go still share out with my guy.
You sure?
Yeah,
I
I go share out. Even if I don't give her 50%, I will give her like 5% or 2%.
I'll give her 1,000 naira.
Okay.
So we go still cope together.
This question now for both of you.
Okay.
Now I'm going to answer one by one because I notice I say the body weight wins. It be like say the way una respect those twins, una they even fear to talk their name during nomination, because the reason why I ask now, because waiting the viewers don't they talk, say it be like say the body weight twins, so they rarely
even the
they for
quarrel
nomination
he had
because
with
people for the house
quarrel
when
he
they
had
call
with
them
one
out.
of the twins.
I still want to even still come back to that fight right now because we need to know what really caused the clash. Because I noticed that for the first previous week for the house, Fairme, I don't get one or two disagreements before, but there was this last clash where we say we say you faraya. Like you vex. So but some of the viewers don't really know waiting actually. So waiting caused that particular clash between. Are you Ozil? Now Ozzy and you. So you tell us just like those few things waiting happen what caused that clash between you and Ozzy.
Okay, I think I've been come up for kitchen. Make I force this pidgin English for this particular conversation now. I've been just come up for kitchen and going to the dining. Then I see how some of my housemates they run go the garden area. I like to mind my business. Sometimes they quarrel, they play table tennis, I need they send. I actually sat down and I saw when he said something to what's her name, Cassia. It was kind of disrespectful. I cannot remember what she said to her. So Cassia was like, what kind of talk is that? Why would Wani talk to her? Because they actually heard something outside. That they were all concerned. That was the same thing Kelly was saying. Even Mickey went there, and Victoria went there too. So when they were now coming back because of how Wani reacted to some of them, Ozzy was not like I think people deserved it. Like Muna try to mind on her business or something like that, or stay. You why must you go there? Or there was how I was trying to put it that they're not supposed to go there and all that. In my mind, I'm not like but everybody have freedom of movement in this house. It's Big Brother's house now. I know you can't control how people choose to move. I know go there, but I see how we was talking people today. Kelly Ray sometimes. They go tell him something pin. I mean, go just hold on solo. I don't see some kind things like that. And I Shakiri boy like me, and I didn't just like it.
So you just speak out for him.
I just say you don't talk to people like that now. I know that the manner of approach, and also we started having back and forth with the conversation, and it just blew out of proportion, and that was just it. But at the end of the day, it's a misunderstanding.
You
he was seeing
apologize.
it from. I no apologize.
Okay.
He was seeing it from a different point of view. I was seeing it from a different point of view. We settled the next morning. Yeah, with a handshake and a hug. It's nothing. Siblings they quarrel, siblings they fight, but they will settle. That's how it is for me. And the moment we just talk, I clear it off my mind. We're from there. We're close. We're like bodies talking till the end of the show. We never had any issue aside that. It's just a normal thing. As long as you're in a space with people you're going to certainly yes, exactly. But with time, you now adjust and know what this person likes, what this person doesn't like. So that's just it.
Okay, so you get secrets when they inside the house. When I believe say as soon as I come outside and I get to find out about the husband and wife. It's shocking now. No, never suspect at any point.
Guys, me I suspect the closeness. We put them for their body. We put them for
the only thing will surprise me be say they married, because definitely my mind is like, okay, they date serious relationship. Only to come outside and figure out that they were married. So which is not even a surprise to me. It's actually a beautiful thing.
I see the clothes. I take elevation and lie. This kind of closeness. And you get one time when we say
you can't advise, John.
Cassia mistake, use something, touch my my chest or something. Be like say this didn't touch my nipples more. She didn't do it on purpose. It was just play because she'd always stole me, push me around. The other girl a very stubborn girl. I don't know how viewers they see him. They will see and say the girl the girl stubborn. She they like push people way big pass him for that house. So they always find my trouble. So I didn't see it as anything. But the way Kelly reacted that day in the kitchen and all of that, I was like, I said, guy, na play na kase the phone. Omo Kelly Ray vex so.
So now I make you start to the suspect.
I don't suspect scenes because of the way they always care for him and all that. But that scene, I say, it did deep. Even when Toby when they put pressure for Toby Forge when they put pressure for Cassia and all that, and they see Kelly Ray reaction. Kelly Ray no just gone they like Toby that period. And I say this thing they.
But you feel say not good environment to get husband and wife.
if they have control, if they have a plan and saying we are just going to it's a nice thing. It's a very dope strategy, and I'm sure it has fed them lots of fun. People are anticipating. People are just looking at how the housemaid don't even know what is going on. They are just
that means next time they picking John.
Exactly. Big Brother's grandchild.
Okay, but then again, I want to just ask this question based on how the Big Brother door evolved so far. This one is season 9. If they say make you make a choice of this season or 3 years ago season, that which one you go?
Okay, to be honest, me, I don't watch BBN that much.
Yeah.
So it's my.
Why be saying now people when they watch, you always go?
Now grace now. Now
grace for Big Brother again,
Now grace now. Now grace for
Nigerians and grace.
So now if he talk now if he, I just know say my favorite person then I knew.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just knew. I don't know which season, but I just know say I knew.
But if there's a pick between, they give you a chance this season or 3 years ago season or 4 years ago season.
This same season where I decide now.
I like this.
And this season
the reason why I think say they asked me, say probably because of the situation of the country. A lot of people are not really watching the same way we say they're supposed to watch. Okay. And the way we say it be right now, sometimes it's the way we be. If you meet a Big Brother person outside, you feel even bump into the person without even knowing say this person alumni or Big Brother. So
you don't like
like the previous ones.
So say,
I think that's why they asked to know if you go still there with this same season or not. Okay. All right. So one of the altercation we happened in the house was the one we happened between Ruthie and then the one X and D.
More drama.
We all know how the old drama went. At the end of the day, where we say they can't evict Ruthie and the DJ Flo. So now that I want to ask now. So with the reaction of the one X and D, if you now want to rate that their reaction on that Sunday, where they do pop, out of the house beats and all the royal statements, we said that we won't rate that reaction.
To me, but now girls drama, so I know they surprised. You understand?
Okay.
I know because they do them to streets too. They do them to I guess they do them to streets too. So I don't really judge their reaction because. Now them know waiting there they fight against me. I know waiting they saw.
But you did the house when they fight.
I was even like least interested in the fight. You understand?
Okay.
The only time I was just involved was when Ruthie was like trying to get close to the twins. You understand? And I was trying to like create a separation, and that's the only thing. I don't really even all these things that Ruth were saying. I don't even
know anything.
No, be say I just the hear shout. I just the hear you. They mad. You
don't hear everything. That's the way she talk. You know hear them.
I swear I know hear them. Yes, now for real.
Oh wow, Fairme, you go.
That kind of thing. So I just continue my table tennis. That's all.
That table tennis be a distraction, really.
I didn't tell you.
Okay.
All right. So it is that another question where I go like to ask them. Now losing our wager again before now come up from the house and our performance that day was mad. The both of you, the radicals. I don't know how you feel. Despite all those E for efforts when I put energy. When people that still talk say I have lost your wager or whatever.
To be honest, but people that always like looks for the best, and I feel maybe we did not give enough. Like Big Brother wanted more from not like us as the dancing or whatever. Like I mean the whole thing. He wanted more. Should I say we should have done more, be more creative in the other aspect of the wager, and maybe we didn't do it and all that. So normal is a normal thing to lose your wager, even though you very well.
Yeah.
And it could just be a fuck up from what you've done.
No effort.
Sorry. It could just be a F up from what you've done in like your
previous,
during the week. Maybe you've been getting mic infringements and all that, all those kind of misbehavior, everything. So I know you take losses as any, it gets to me like that.
Yeah. So to be honest, that house is filled with talent. Even during our vibes on vibe wager, I allowed people. I was the captain, but I still allow people bring their ideas, bring their format, only to discover that say people get talent for that house. So to be honest, the whole thing was high standard. The whole thing was high standard. It's just that we missed out some small things. And Big Brother, if he judging, if he getting in idea, like if the small things were okay, we didn't call out African currency. We were using dollars, which nobody even bring idea,
Said
but
the
trust me,
Dragons didn't ask enough questions.
yes, but trust me, the whole idea, the whole creativity was mad.
Yeah.
We created a drone, a water. I don't forget that thing, like something where they purify water purifier.
Yeah.
Then everybody was saying really, really nice things, but Big Brother was like, okay, you guys did not use African currency, all these small things.
Yeah, now you come make una lose.
Yeah, so nobody really feel them.
Okay.
That the only person way to feel them now, people will create the stuff and the head of house.
Okay.
Based on the efforts we input for inside. So honestly, everybody, we always learn from every wager. Yeah, we always learn from every wager. Yeah.
Okay, just on the first side though, based on your experience inside the house, who you believe say you don't dey intimate pass for inside?
Intimate.
Yeah, you know now. Okay, you be virgin.
Intimate. As a virgin, I still know.
Okay, intimate.
He go be my guy, Zion. That guy na real Edo man. That guy has represented you people, and I'm sure you as an Edo man, you are the
We are
same.
proud.
No, you get
You are the
voted.
same.
No.
Don't deny him. I can see it in your eye.
guy for your side now.
Why you dey do like say it's different? That time do not be bended.
No, now
before.
bend there. No, we get together, but now I got separate
just say
of my
that
virginity. I got separate
from
you
us.
small, separate from you.
So now Zion, now you say he's
Zion.
suspect.
I think Zion,
Yeah.
Zion, I'm my legend. Now legend be
Nah,
that. We
inside
just
the
see him
house.
quiet. They holding stuff. They hitting stuff like this. Well, that
Wow.
guy, now legend.
What about you?
Nah, actually Zion. Like,
Zion got the highest
but
schools for that
how
house.
the team be now.
Wow.
The first day where we jam,
on a
we
code.
don't connect. Say,
I dey
omo.
tell you.
I didn't even tell him, say I go vex for who vex for him because the guy is calm.
No, man.
That guy is a very good
Then
person.
as he go come out, people notice say my I no go lie for you. The guy is one of the reasons why I was down. Like all my energy just
Just
When he
draw.
left.
Yes, when he
Oh.
left. But at the same time, I got closer with better. Yeah, that's why I had to like pour all out my issue with TJ because the guy is like a father figure in that house. Now love doctor, they call
Yeah.
him.
Call
So
him, yeah.
talk to him about so many things. Talk to him about my personal life. Yeah, which obviously.
Now, wow.
So the guys when remain right now, who you believe say he go take home the prize? Who not believe say he get am? And not dey inside, not come
Nah,
outside.
Ben,
or
look,
something.
nah, Ben,
with that double K strategy, I think Kelly really has a chance. You see Kelly and this girl, you see Victoria, where people they say they quiet.
Yeah.
What you mean
might-
people outside or people
No,
inside?
I think people outside,
Outside.
feel she's quiet, but I think she's loved as well. Yeah.
You know, say there is something they call pretty beauty privilege.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
if you
So
are
I be
fine,
the most
not
beautiful girl inside the house.
well,
Based on
You say,
Well.
Victoria, most beautiful. I don't know. Sha, many ladies they are beautiful in their own way.
all of
Some
them
are
fine
beautiful.
for their
This
own
one
way,
get
to
you
be
know fine
honest.
body. This one
like
get fine
everything
face.
like this for
Like
Fairme.
this, everything like this for me.
God.
Life is big. Life
now
is
you be
large.
virgin.
I swear.
Everybody get from the first set of
Okay.
pair we come out.
Yeah.
Tammy,
All of
even
them.
them DJ Flo. I dey always tell DJ Flo say omo she fine. That
Yeah,
let's
she
say
is
she
really
dey do
pretty.
all those
Tomboy.
Tomboy.
All those
tomboy,
things.
she
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
She fine. They really tease and well.
So now when we say I don't come out from the house now, which of the housemates you no go want continue communication with?
Okay, the thing is, I don't have anybody in mind. Like even the 1X and this we be actually like Sagittarius, which we don't even talk am from inside the house. Say we go celebrate our birthday together because they are 10th and me 11th, and they call me DJ. So you know go bad to organize
Una
that
do
kind
party.
house party.
Party,
You understand? So I will not lie to you. Everything with them was just like, okay, you know how it is getting to know each other without phone, without and human emotions. Now you understand. But
Yeah.
trust me, we're actually in good terms. Even before I left, the minute I was leaving, I was like, we go see for outside, though. And they are really, really cool with it. Yeah.
Okay, so a lot of the housemates are still going to be your friend.
Yeah. But it's just
sure.
that it gets some way at least. You know, if you do it without talking to them, but they like the Zion, the Beta,
Ben.
the I don't go lie, I go see the yarn with Umbadwe
I would
twins.
yarn with
where-
Handy too. Yes.
Yes, the twins too. I go the yarn with them and yeah.
Positive energy, all right.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now when I don't fall out from the house right now, waiting the next for the two of una or individually, yeah. Una the plan to continue this together.
Radicals or
the
individual.
the TV go bust. TV go bust too because
What
you
you mean?
guys
What thing?
now go see now no this one are Netflix standard box office standard. Now
Oh.
una go see
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Ah,
Okay.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
have a lot to uncover.
So waiting on our fans they call. waiting the name of our fans.
Now don't bother give the name.
They get names.
I know I came out and saw that the name of my people now
something nice.
Feminines.
Great.
Yeah,
great. Okay,
yeah.
so which last words on I get for all those people we make sure say una dey there till the 5th week?
All love,
appreciation. Thank you. I know say I be a boy, but una still love me for who I am. I'm very grateful. You love my virginity. God bless you all. Thank you so much for believing in me and my pride. I will keep this pride till my wedding night, where it will be finally taken away from me.
Now Lagos you did before you.
And me too, Sha. Honestly.
Now Abuja I been there.
Abuja City.
Yeah.
Please, you guys should not come for me. I'm so vulnerable right now. Body is full. Please have mercy. That's all I can say.
So, me on the other hand, I really appreciate everybody that was being supportive. People will no judge me, even when I dey vex, they talk. People will
your man don't get fitter. Well, they let you go.
No, don't be my fault. Not be my fault. It's just human emotions. They worry me that time. So honestly, I really appreciate everybody. Everybody.
Okay.
All love, family,
All
friends.
love.
Yeah.
I be on our social media platform for those when like follow up to keep updates.
Okay, tell them your
Michky_D_great on Instagram.
Okay.
Then TikTok. Mickey the Great, just full, no
space,
no IP.
Spell the Mickey for them.
Michky, then the Great, THE, then Great.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The Fairme.
Why mine is Fairme _David, and the Fairme it's spelled FAIRME _David. Same name on Instagram, TikTok and Twitter. I know they really visit Twitter because they blast people there, so they fear. I don't get that kind of mind. I know they even read comments, but yesterday they dragged me for Twitter. I know they go there. I know they even want to see. So same name on Facebook too.
I don't know
same name on Facebook, so follow up.
I don't want to.
All right, so which Naija song gonna want make for you see una off with? Which Naija? Now go dance for us, so which song now go feel move that body?
Just give us that
which one?
We for play our common song Liberian,
but Naija.
But this time
Naija.
By Chris Brown, Davido.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now the same song Zion actually pick.
Are you serious?
Ziggy Z.
Yeah, the same song they pick. All right, Chris Brown and Davido, and the song we say we take you sign out with this, but not go anywhere. R&B and Becca, please. We is coming back.